So I just got the washer. It's so freaking cute. I cannot wait to start using it. Too bad I'm going to work. The little timer that you can actually put on without plugging in. It's just a timer. I think what is it, 5.5 gallons. The little spin thing comes inside. So cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. I'm in perfect condition, so yes, it's way bigger than I thought. Oh my gosh, like I did not realize how big it would have been. I feel like I can wash probably like 3 loads tonight. See, I love it. Oh my gosh, this is what, the COSTWAY.
Why?